My dear friend, once again we are going to talk about prepositional phrases about dimension of any object. When we talk about dimension, we always talk about height, length, width. Sometimes width is called breadth also, depth, thickness, area and volume. Here we are going to see that how to use them in a sentence. So height is, for example, this wall is of 10 feet. This wall is of 10 feet. Suppose if I talk about the height of an electric pole, so we can say that this electric pole has been raised to a considerable height. Here I am talking about the height of something. Even about a person I can say that my friend is of a good height. The height of my friend is good. I can talk about the height of a tree, that the height of the tree is 20 feet. In this way we can talk about the height. The second is length. The rope is of 5 meters. I can say that the length of this bench is 6 feet. The length of my cloth is 2 meters. If I talk about the length of a rod, so this rod is of considerable length. In this way, I can use the word length. Third one is width. Sometimes width, W-I-D-T-H, is called breadth also, B-R-E-D-T-H, breadth. For example, here in this school, I can say that the river is of 50 meters. So this sentence is talking about width. The width or breadth of this bench is 2 feet. The breadth of the road or width of the road is 20 feet. Mostly we see that the width of the road is 20 feet, 25 feet. Like this we see. The next one is depth. Here the example is the well is of 30 feet in depth. Well, well is 30 feet in depth. If you want to talk about the depth of some other example, the depth of this tank is 10 feet. Dig a pit of 6 feet. The depth of this foundation should be 4 feet. So in this way we are talking about the depth of foundation or depth of pit or tank or depth of something like this. Thickness. The wood measured 2 inches in thickness. The wood used for this bench is of half inches. Here example is the wood measured 2 inches in thickness. The thickness of this pen is 3 centimeters. The thickness, if I say that the thickness of this iron plate is good or it is very thick. So in this way thickness we talk about the measurement. The next one is area. This field is of 10 acres. Here we can say that this field is of 10 kathas. Of with of preposition. You will just observe and listen carefully that how with preposition is used. The area of this building is about 5 katthas, or somewhere the area, if I am talking of a football ground, so we can see that the area of football ground is of 1.2 hectares or something like this. Volume, this tank is of 100 liters. The volume is, next word is called capacity. So we can say that capacity of this water cooler is of 1 liter. The capacity of a water bottle is half liter. So in this way, the volume of this water cooler is 2 liter. So in this way, just in this video, I have tried to this dimension that how in physical science or physics we use different types of objects, and there we always talk about height, length, width, depth, thickness, area and volume. So it was very important to understand about them.